We are so committed to your organization journey. If you stay under 50 entries, your subscription will always be free. Hey there, I'm Carol, the founder of Everspruce Home Inventory app, and today I'm excited to show you how to use the entry edit feature. It's very simple for you to keep your digital home inventory updated. So grab your device and let's make organizing fun. Take out your phone or tablet, open the Everspruce app, and find the item you want to edit. Now let's kick things off with a common edit, changing the item's name. Just for instance, let's say it's my son's guitar. Click on the item, go to options, hit the edit entry. Here you can change things by changing the name, adding the description, updating the quantity, value, you name it, you can make the change. Click save and boom, you're done. Super simple. Quick tip, the name of the item is your ticket to a smooth search experience. Pick a name you'll easily remember, making the search feature your best friend. Ever wanted to move an item to a new spot? Very easy. Let's say it's the guitar again. Go to options, click move entry, and select a new destination. Be another area or a box. I'll choose my garage storage area. Done. Everspruce does the heavy lifting for you. Feeling a little bit indecisive? We've all been there. Everspruce has got you covered. Tip, create a holding area or box for items that don't have a permanent home. Perfect for those moments when you're unsure where things belong. It's like a pause button for decision making. For myself, my holding area is my hall closet. And what about relocating an entire box, like your Christmas box? Christmas is around the corner. Click the box and hit options. Tap move entry, choose the new area, maybe your cozy living room. Simple, right? To sum it up, open the app, pick your item, update the details, and effortlessly move entries around. Whether it's shuffling between boxes or different areas, Everspruce lets you customize your inventory hassle-free. We are so committed to your organization journey. If you stay under 50 entries, your subscription will always be free. This quick tutorial is your golden ticket to an organized and stress-free digital home inventory. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button for more handy tips. Until next time, this is Carol from Everspruce. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing, everyone.